Hello and welcome to this week's edition of the Certix Security Leaderboard Showcase. So today we've got Wolfgang and Joshua from Aptos Labs here to tell us some more about the project.
So the type system of Move is more advanced than in Solidity, I would say. If you know a little bit of home languages, types and typing is about safety. We have built formal verification from the very beginning into the Move language. It's supported on the level of the language.
When you think about smart contracts, you think about, like you just said, we've got something holding millions or billions of dollars worth of some token, whatever it is, right? You need that critical guarantee that, hey, regardless of how I've implemented this or how I'm going to modify it in the future, let's say there's a feature request or something, you need those guarantees of being able to specify, hey, like no one can come in and steal stake. No one can come in and create stake out of thin air, right? We need to bring this to the blockchain and we need to integrate it from the ground, right? You can't add this stuff on afterwards. It's super difficult. So let's think about security from the get-go. As good as a blockchain team might be, as good as a core developer team might be, you need security experts to come in and look at your code from a fresh perspective, fresh set of eyes, right? The launch was just the beginning, right? The launch was the start of the journey, not the end of it. And we have a ton of improvements, optimizations, all sorts of things that we want to try to push out to the community as fast as possible. We realize that for a lot of people, Move is a new programming language, right? There's not a lot of adoption yet. It's still very early days. And so we're trying to work as much as we can with the ecosystem to effectively grow the ecosystem out. The engineers come up with amazing, practical implementations, and the researchers come up with amazing ideas. And sometimes it's a little bit of both. Great researchers also know how to code, and great engineers also know how to optimize and build ideas. And so at Aptos, we're trying to integrate these two things as much as possible.
Look forward to seeing Aptos in the future and working with you again.